Hello friends, welcome to my series of WordPress tutorials for beginners, and in this video we are going to learn how to embed viral imgur post in WordPress website. Imgur is one of the better websites where you will find viral content, user post, and they also provide you an option to embed their photos or post into your website. Okay, let's see how we can do this. uh, First of all, you can do this by two methods. First one is just okay, this is the post that I want to embed in my WordPress website, and what I can do, just click these three dots, and in the end you have embed, and here you click the copy so that the code is copied to your clipboard. Now you just go to your WordPress editor, stay in the text mode, and then return to visual and click preview. And okay, the post is now posted to your WordPress site. It's so easy, you don't have to do too much work here. Just grab the code from imgur and nothing else you need to do. So let's see, the second method that you can use is to grab the URL of the post you want and paste it into visual or text as per you want. And here is the embed post. Let's see if it is perfect. Yes. So these are the two methods that you could use and embed